Hi everyone, Agnes here. Today is a time for you to really reflect on rejection and to get to the place where you have let it go, that you can come back to center, come back to feeling good, and to feel connected with Source, with love, and with yourself once again. Just close down your eyes if you haven't already done so. Let's begin with 6 breaths, in for 4 and out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now, just listen to this reading and just take it in. It is a reading by Idris Elba, the English actor. The problem with a lot of people is that they get rejected by a job they want or a person they like. Their self-confidence becomes shattered in an instant because they don't have an abundance mindset. You see, when you have an abundance mindset and you get rejected, it's okay. Because you tell yourself tomorrow, I will find 10 other jobs, or I will meet 10 other new people. You always have possibilities. Idris Elba. So take that in. Think about the rejection you have had and how you feel today about it. Just be aware of the feeling in your heart and chest. And say to yourself, I really want to let this go. And I want to have that abundance mindset and to have an understanding that there is always more opportunities, more love, more people. And when I believe this and feel this and know this, then I can start to release that feeling of rejection. Because rejection comes from believing there is a shortage of supply. I now attract my tribe who is as quirky as I am. I now attract my tribe who is as quirky as I am. I now attract my tribe who is as quirky as I am. I love and accept myself just as God made me. I love and accept myself just as God made me. I love and accept myself just as God made me. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. I let go of people pleasing to get people to like me. I let go of people pleasing to get people to like me. I let go of people pleasing to get people to like me. I am comfortable in my own skin. I am comfortable in my own skin. I am comfortable in my own skin. I belong. I belong. I belong. I am valued and accepted. I am valued and accepted. I am valued and accepted. I let go, I exhale, and I ground myself in the here and now. Everything is always working out for me. Everything is always working out for me. Everything is always working out for me. So I would like you to take the words of Idris Elba with you as you move into the next part of your day. And remember that the rejection you have endured, although it may not have felt good at all, that you can move past it with the knowledge that there is always more opportunity, more love, and a second chance. Say to yourself, I always get a second chance. I love that I always get a second chance. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now, trust yourself, trust life. Lots of love. And thank you to Rupert for requesting this meditation.